Hi everybody, welcome to the third videos of this presentation about the mole concept, and this we are now in the third part, and we will be discussing about the percentage composition. Okay, so we will be using the same uh, sit or the same illustration that we have a while ago. So please, as I have told you, please check the link in the description below for the link of this another video that we use or we made for this presentation. Okay, so now let's proceed to the percentage composition. So you have here you can see the formula there. The percent composition is equals to the mass of element divided by the mass of compound and multiplied by 100%, so you can get the percent composition. That could be very easy if only you know how to calculate the molecular mass of an element. Okay, so we will, in order to find the percentage composition, first is you are going to see or to find what is the total molecular mass, and also to find that the each mass of an element there. Okay, its total mass of a certain element, and then the molecular mass. Okay, to find the composition is the percent composition, mass of an element divided by the mass of compound times 100. Okay, for example here, the molecular mass of water, or we will find the percentage composition of water. I'm not sure if there is some problems here. Okay, so here what we use is what we need to find is to find the composition. Okay, based on the example, find the percent composition of hydrogen in the compound water. Now we will use first the what we have in the last video about the computation of the molecular mass. So there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen in the compound water. Then use the quantity, and the hydrogen is 1.00794. That is the atomic mass of 1 hydrogen, and remember that there are 2 hydrogen. That's the reason why you are going to multiply that by this atomic mass. Then you will have the total atomic mass of the hydrogen is equals to 2.01588. Okay, for the oxygen, but we are going to find for the percentage of hydrogen. Why we need to find the percentage? We need to find how much hydrogen or how much element present in that certain compound, so that it will be our purpose. Now, to using the formula above, this is the formula. Okay, so by using that, we have the percent composition of hydrogen. You are going to write that one because we are looking for the percent composition of hydrogen. So what element or the composition you need to find, you are going to write there. Okay, so percent composition of hydrogen, if we are looking for the percent composition of oxygen, then we are going to write the percent composition of oxygen also. But now we are using the hydrogen because we will be looking for the composition of the hydrogen. So using the total mass of hydrogen, okay, so the total mass, atomic mass there is 2.01588, which is also we are using the grams as our unit, so 2.016. Why we round off that one here? Because one after 1 is 5. That's the reason why you can also write all the numbers there. Okay, which is much better. Okay, much better if you are going to write all the numbers there. You can only round up if you are writing the final answer. Okay, so I encourage everyone to write all the numbers. Do not do like this nga naka-round up na siya dito. Okay, so you are going only to write to use round up if you are writing the final answer. Okay, so times divided by, which is the total molecular mass of this compound, is 18.0152 grams of water, because we are now we use the water now because we are using the compound water. So divide that one and then times 100, and you are going to get the formula of 11.1905502. Now you can now round up around this number to 2-digit after the decimal point. Okay, copy all the significant. I put a note here. Copy all the significant numbers up to 5-digit after the decimal point. Okay, round only. So round only to 2 digit after the decimal point when you are writing the final answer. Okay, this is now the 2 digit after the decimal point because we are now writing the final answer. So there are 11.19% of hydrogen in a compound of water. Okay, so there are 11. So we now know that in a compound water, in one compound water, or in a 1 mole of water, then there are 11.19% of hydrogen in that certain composition. Okay, so let's try to look in your activity. So here in your activity, which is in the percentage composition, you are going to find the percent composition of each element in the compound carbon dioxide. Remember that in a compound carbon dioxide, there are only two elements that you need to find the percent composition, and that is the carbon and the oxygen. Okay, so using the formula before, okay, so let's try to find the element carbon. Okay, so we are also using this one. I did not erase my, ano to? Okay, I did not erase this one. This is the total mass, the total molecular mass of carbon dioxide, and we will be using this one for our activity in the activity 4 in the percentage composition. So I will show you to find the percent composition of carbon. So you are going to find the percentage composition of the oxygen later. Okay, so what is the formula? Lisod man ko. Okay, for a while I will move my camera here. So the formula is percent composition of what we're going to find now is of carbon. Carbon is equals to the atomic mass of carbon divided by the molecular mass of CO2 or the carbon dioxide times 100. Okay, we now going to substitute. So equals, what is the total mass of carbon? So our total mass of carbon, which is the carbon, is now 12 because in the carbon dioxide there are only one carbon. So we have here we will be using this one. So we will write 12.011 grams of carbon divided by, what happened? Okay, divided by, I will move my camera here. Kamo na bahalag adjust ha. How much is the total? Is 44. The total mass of carbon dioxide, that will be 44,011 grams of carbon dioxide times 100%. Oy, nalimtan. 100%. Now, nanay 100% din na sa kilid ha. Now, equals, try to multiply this one. So, okay, so let's try 12.011 divided by 44.011 equals, so that will be your answer. Dayon, you are going to multiply that by 100. Among percent na ko ani ron. Oy, wala mo ko percent. 100. Percent. I'm not sure if this is correct. So let's try to see the calculator. We will try to use the calculator in our phone. Okay. So let's try to use the calculator in the phone. because I cannot really trust the calculator in the... Okay. So let's try now. Where's my calculator here? So for a while, so that is 12.011 divided by 44.011. Let's try it equals, so 27 times, naba ko 100 ari, a percent diri. Times 100%. Okay? So your answer now, that could be 27. Are we right with? Okay? So it's correct. Our answer ganiha is correct, which is this one, 27. That means, okay, uy, man guro ni himog. Okay na la. So our answer now is 27, so we are now correct. So the percentage composition of the carbon in the compound carbon dioxide, that means 27% of, yun sa ganito pagsulat sa atong example, 27%. There are 27% or atong gamiton apilon ang iyahang point. 27 point pila? 29, okay? 27.29. Please check this in your calculator. Maybe we have a slightly different answer, but that could be okay if dili lang kay siya layo, okay? 27, my calculator here says 27.29% of carbon in in a compound kamu na i-adjust ha. Ano mag-adjust? In a compound, basta kay mo na ni siya. In a compound it's to naman noon. Compound carbon, you can write carbon CO2. Okay, that means in a compound carbon dioxide there are 27.29% of carbon. Okay, now it's your turn to solve for the next, which is the oxygen. Okay, you are going to look for the oxygen, and you are going to try to add the two different compositions, percent composition. If ever you will get the 100%, then you will know that you are in the right track. Okay, so God bless everyone. Do your activity here. You have now the answer, the first answer, and you have now the tutorial on how to solve for that. Then I'm sure that you can solve that one. Okay, God bless everybody. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Don't forget to look out in our in the description below to see the link of the next video.